Hey everybody, wanted to walk you through a little problem I ran into with my mower and hopefully save some of you the trouble because I've spent so many hours on this, it's unbelievable. So I wanted to replace the lower transmission belt for this riding mower. It's a Yardman 46-inch deck. I'll put the model number and everything in the video description. Here's my old lower transmission belt. As you can see, sorry about the focus there, it's starting to wear down. I wasn't having trouble with it, but I just wanted to keep ahead of it and make sure that I didn't run into problems. But yeah, cracking pretty bad. It's probably, it's probably the original belt. This is 11 years old. I bought it 5 years ago now. Anyway, so I wanted to replace the belt.
Anyway, this is the lower drive belt that goes all the way back there and then up through here. All right, now the problem is it's supposed to be fairly loose, and it is fairly loose right now, but when you get the motor running, it continues to actually still pull. So it's slightly too tight.
And so what that was leading to, here's the problem. As soon as I put on that new belt, all of a sudden the idle was way too high. Not way too high, but it was clearly running way faster than usual. If I put it in drive and started to go, it was going too fast. It would also move without me pushing the gas. Just if I was in forward, it would go forward even if I had my foot off the gas. The brake wasn't working as well. It wasn't responding as well. And shifting was ridiculous. If I had the mower on and I was sitting in it and I was trying to mow the lawn, I could not shift back into neutral, especially out of reverse was really difficult. And so it was just a nightmare. It was very dangerous, in fact. And so it was causing all sorts of problems. So my first thought, and this is the new belt that I bought. I've got them lined up. You can see they look like they should be basically the same. As I pull though, as you can see, I'm trying to line those up so that I don't have any slack. Once I get them as lined up as I possibly can, look at that difference. So that new belt that I bought is that much shorter than the old belt, especially under tense pressure. What I'm going to have to do then is get a new one and get the correct size belt. This is the one that I had purchased, and as you can see, it just didn't quite fit my machine. It caused all sorts of problems. It was like 22 bucks, and I was just trying to save a little bit of money going with this one. It says it's the correct size. It even says that it works for my model. It is an MTD. It was built in 2012, as I said, and that's the correct size and everything. And yet it's just not quite working, and it's causing all sorts of problems. So I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more money and get another belt, and I'll put it on there and let you know if it works. And here's the new one I got. I got a genuine parts kind, and it's the exact same. It's supposed to replace the same thing, and this one actually worked. So it's just a little bit longer so that it's the correct size, and all of those problems have gone away now. So that's just a little lesson. Don't risk it. Try to get the right size. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. Nobody knows that I'm making this video. This was just my experience. I found that genuine parts worked exactly correct, and that other one just didn't quite fit. Caused me all sorts of problems. Anyway, so I hope that's helpful, and hope you can fix your problem. Good luck.